What is a variable? A variable is a named container in memory that stores a value that your program can use and change while running, right? Every variable has a name, a type, and a value, right? Java is strongly typed, which means you must declare the type before using it, right? Variable can change value unless they are declared final, right? How to declare a variable? We should give the data type before naming the variable, right? Now I should give the name for variable, right? I give it student ID, right? This is the declaration, right? Int mean data type, right? Int mean we can include the integers only, right? Now you can describe this code line using comment, right? Using control and backslash, now you can give the comment, right? How to describe this? This is the declaration part, right? Now we can give the value for this variable. How can we do this? Call this name, right? And now you can give the value. Remember, you should give the numbers only. You can't use any symbols, right? Or letters. You can't. And use semicolon, right? Do you want to print this? I describe the sixth line as initialization, right? Right. Now if you want to run it, you can do this. Call the name inside the parentheses, right? Then you can see your output, right? Okay, but we can do this in one line. How? I use string type and give it name like name. Now you should give the name, sorry. And you can print name, right? Okay. Now you can see two values. First one is student ID and second one is name, right? If you don't want to print this, you can use comment, right? Now I will move it. I describe this code part using command like this: declaration plus right. Okay, we can update the value, right? How can we? I want to change name, right? Therefore, call name and give another name inside this, right? I give it what? Shrimp, right? Now you can see the updated name, right? See, you can't see easily. It gives new name, right? I can describe this code line. Value is changed, right? Okay. We have rules for naming variables, right? Name must start with a letter or $sign or an underscore mark, right? But normally we use letters for creating variables name, right? At the start, right? Like this. See, start from letter, and you can start from $sign, right? Like this, or you can start from underscore, right? But normally we use this type, right? This. Okay. We cannot start it with the number, right? See, if we start from 4, you can't do it, right? See, it gives errors, right? You can't use numbers for the starting point, right? You can't keep any spaces, right? Int student name, it's not valid, right? You can use this, but you can't use this, right? Don't keep any space between your names, right? And you can't use any special characters like at, wait, int, name. You can't use this, right? Only you can use underscore and $sign, right? And you cannot use Java reserved words, right? Like int, double, class, static. You can't use these things for variable names, right? You can't use this, right?